Hello beauty squad, it's your girl TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things life, love, and beauty. I hope everyone is staying cool, having a great summer. It is hot as a Mickey Ficky here in LA. It's been over 110 the last few days, and I tell you, it has been crazy. But today, I'm bringing you guys another hair video as I'm trying to take that natural journey, as I mentioned early in the quarantine. And I've had my hair in crochet braids, and I said this time I'm going to try a ponytail this today. So we're going to do this. I'm going to show you guys how I did this, and it was not easy, but not difficult at the same time either. So this has definitely been a learning process and journey for me, and I hope to do more. So if you want to see how I got this look, my hair at least, stick around. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You're already here, you're watching, and I love talking to you guys. Shout it from the rooftops. TeeTee is on. I got to go. So we're going to put all this together today together. And if you want to see, stay tuned. Welcome to the journey. This is all I can say is welcome to the journey. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get this started. This is the first time I am trying any of this. And you see, I have not dyed my hair. My hairdresser does it, and I'm not going to even take a chance and try to do that myself, because it's some sort of concoction she put together. But I think I have all the tools that I need to do this sleek ponytail, I'm going to call it. I got some Cream of Nature, excuse me, edge control, excuse me, perfect edges with argan oil. And I have a paddle brush and a bristle brush. I got a wide tooth comb, hairpins, scrunchies, and the Eco Styling gel. And I've already sectioned off my hair, as you can see. And what I will say about my texture of hair, so I've learned the last few months that my hair is a combination of 4A, B, and C. And I'm actually not surprised at that, because my skin is combination normal, oily. And so why would my hair not be a combination? And you actually can have mixed texture of hair. And I know that just from experimenting with different things for my hair, and what works and what doesn't. And I know what doesn't work for my hair is water. And I've seen some girls spritz their hair with water. I cannot do that. So we're not going to spritz my hair, because my hair just draws up and it'll get all puffy and all of that. That water doesn't work for me. So I've sectioned off my hair. And if I wanted to lay down, because it's puffy, but I wanted to lay down as much as possible. So I've sectioned it off. Let's see if you can see it in the back here, which I'm hoping you should here. I've sectioned everything off. If you can't, I'm sorry. This is the first time I'm doing this. So I've sectioned my hair off, and I'm going to just start applying the gel. And this is the Eco Gel with, I think it's got olive oil in it. Why? Because it's green. And you can use this on dry hair. So that's I think it's green because it does have olive oil in it. So I'm just going to take some, right? Hopefully you can see this, and just start laying this down in the back here. A generous amount, I'll say, right? A pretty generous amount, just to kind of get it to lay down. So this is how I'm going to start this. I have my towel here. I'm nervous if you can't tell. So I'm going to add a little more, just kind of get it up where it's puffiest. Get it up there and underneath. Okay. I tell you, this virus, if nothing else, has taught a lot of us to be self-sufficient, especially when it comes to things like our hair. Okay. Trial and error, right? We in this together. So I'm gonna separate this top here. Oh boy, a coronavirus has taught us how to do a lot of things. Let's just say it has taught us how to do a lot of things we probably didn't even know that we could do. Okay, so let's just lather this on here. I mean, I'm trying to take a generous amount here. Let's just keep going. Okay. Okay. Let's brush this back. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Getting somewhere. Okay. Let's get to the other side here. I'm laughing because I'm just like, this is all so new and obviously foreign to me, is doing my own hair, and I've never ever done my own hair. Never. I've been getting my hair done by a beautician probably as long as I can remember, actually. So I'm just gonna this. So I didn't really start learning how to really do my hair until I was older. I was a young adult. My mother wasn't the best at doing hair growing up, so neither was I, as you can see. But, all right. So let's just see. We're gonna try to comb this back too. This back here. Got me some little waves going, hey. I mean, this stuff is, and this is exactly why I did not wet my hair, because my hair is just not waterproof like that. It just is not. So even though I'm sure this gel is likely water-based, but I don't know, y'all. So some would probably go, add more gel, and I'm just trying to, yeah, get it all in there. I'm gonna put some makeup on my face. Okay. So let me leave this on. Lord help me. I'm gonna leave it on. Add some makeup on, and then we'll be back to add the hair. Stay tuned. Jesus. All right, so I added some makeup, so I gave my hair enough time to dry, and actually did pretty well. So I'm really excited. I'm happy the way things have turned out. So let's get to the star today. And the hair, like I mentioned, is from Her Given Hair. I found it online. And this is the kinky curly ponytail. You see it's got the combs here and the drawstring here. And this is it's kinky coily, and it's about 16 inches long. I had my hairdresser dye it the color of my hair. I know it's hard to tell because I'm so gray, as I mentioned, but the color here is actually the kind of the color that my hair is now, which is kind of a cinnamon of sorts kind of color. So my hair laid down actually very well. You see, not bad. I don't know how to do baby hair, so you can miss me on that part, but it did lay down actually pretty well. So I put my hair in a bun. So let's just get this in. Oh, Lord, and see how this is going to work. So all right, it goes this way. All right, let's see. So it's about right there, and let's take the other comb if I can find it, put it there. Okay, it appears to be secure, at least somewhat. I'm gonna pull this drawstring. Uh-oh, the bottom comb came out. Okay, now it's in there. I'm gonna pull this, and hopefully this will tighten it. That damn bottom comb keeps coming out. Yeah, this one is fine. All right. I say that feels better, but we'll see. I'm gonna pull this. Okay. This is like work. Okay. Feels tight. Okay, getting there. Okay, I can feel it. I think I've gotten it all the way, or however far it's going to go. There we go. Oh, that's tight. Okay. All right, so now I'm just going to take this, Lord Jesus, and just wrap it around. I don't know how let me see, I probably need a bobby pin to keep this down, because I don't. Yeah, I'm gonna need a bobby pin, and I don't have one right here in front of me right now, but I'm gonna have to go grab a bobby pin just to hold this down. Yeah, because I can't. All right, hold please. Okay, so I secured it down. I'm actually pretty happy with it. Let's see, hold on. Yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with it. I'm just so proud of myself that I got this to come out actually right. Oh my God, look at that. Look. Okay, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's actually not bad. Not bad. I'm sure if my hair was one color, it might be easy to tell. So let me know what you guys think. This is my my very first time trying this, and I'm actually happy with the way that it came out. So I want to say, I think for this hair from Her Given Hair, I might have paid about, it was definitely over $100. It might have been $119, $120, something like that. But it actually is not bad at all. I'm actually really excited. I'm going to order more, maybe one more. And I like this one because my texture is kind of coily, kinky coily. So especially when you add product to it, and that definitely this texture is definitely similar to mine. So let me know what you guys think. I'm so excited. I'm actually a little happy about the way it turned out. I didn't know what to expect, and I'm sure once I continue to do this with more and more practice, it will definitely get easier. So comment below. Let me know what you guys think. I'm working on this whole natural hair journey and trying different things during this pandemic and part of this quarantine, but I'm gonna tell you, I feel like Diana Ross all of a sudden. But comment below, let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more trial and error hair videos from me, because I've actually done pretty well this time around. I'm actually really proud of myself and how this came out. Let me know what you think. Until next time, your girl TeeTee is out. Looking like Diana Ross. I'll also have makeup details below for those I know you're going to ask. So I will have that below.